That was literally not even good, but that's PB. What the hell? For real? God. What? Okay, so R prime, F, L prime, D prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, R prime, R. It's not even a good, it's not even a great solution, but like, it's the one that gives the best last later. So, what you got here is R prime, F, hold on, that's not what I did. R prime F, L prime, D prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, rotate, R prime, U, R. Then I solve this pair with F, U, R, U prime, R prime. Insert the pair, rotate, pair this up, insert. Then I get this last layer. Bro, I did not expect that. PB single now.